In this video, I will tell you about benefits of accountability system and how you can use it to achieve more productivity and to get better result in your life. Before this, we should understand what is accountability system. Accountability means we should be accountable to someone for something. We should be accountable for our goals. If you try to implement accountability on your own, you can do it, but you will not be on track. So to keep on track, you can find a partner who can track your progress and you can track his or her progress. Your partner, he will always push you to achieve more. If you are stuck somewhere, then he can provide or she can provide you better suggestions, or you can brainstorm on the challenges which you are facing. So you can find your partner. Your partner should be someone from your niche or whose goal is also same as yours. Then only you can track each other's, because you will understand what is his pain point and he can understand your pain points. Your end goals are same and you are at same level. Then only you can effectively implement this accountability system. Now I will tell you how it works, how you can implement this accountability system to get more result. First of all, you need to find out your accountability partner, or a partner is your friend. You can search any partner. If you are part of any group, like if you want to improve your communication, then you can find out who is also trying to improve his or her communication, and you can search such partners on a Facebook group or a Telegram group, or if you have any WhatsApp group, you can search here and you can connect with your partner. You can just send him or her message on a different social media, like you can send check on LinkedIn, then you can ping him on Facebook, or if you have his her contact number, then you can ping on WhatsApp. Then get some time and connect on a call, and in that call what you need to discuss, in first call just discuss about how you will implement this accountability system. Just decide that what is your current status, where you currently are standing, and what you want to achieve in your life. Once it will be fixed, to track everything, you can create a common place where you can update your details. In my case, I am using Google Excel sheet. I shared that sheet with my accountability partner, and there I have created different tabs. One tab is for mine, where I am updating my progress, whatever things I am doing every day, and whatever things are planned, those all things are updated in that Excel sheet. And second tab is his tab, where he is updating for him. And after that, we decided that some timing from the week, like 2 times we will connect and discuss on our current progress, whatever things we have done in last 3 to 4 days, and whatever my next plan and which challenges I am facing. I discuss on this, and I ask his progress as well. Then he share same thing about him. Then once it is done, we have created one more sheet like challenges and solutions. So whichever challenges we are facing, we just write it down, and if you find any better solution, then we just write which solution we have tried and whether it is giving result or not. And we are keeping track of each and everything, so that in future we can just review it. If the same challenge is come in future, we can directly check our experience. Already this challenge I have faced, and I have found out that this is a better solution. This I have already tried. If it is working, the same solution I can try in future, or if it is not working, I can try to find out some better solution. And I have update challenges from my end, he update his challenges from his end, and in the common call we discuss on those challenges. Also we discuss on our learning, whatever we have learned in last 3 to 4 days. I just share my learning, and he also share his learning, and we note down of our learning in the same Excel sheet. So like this, we have implemented our accountability system. And how we can connect on the call, previously we were connecting on the audio call, but to share the Excel sheet, we should keep it in front. If you want, you can connect on Zoom or Google Meet. In my case, I was connecting with him on every Sunday evening and Wednesday evening. Evening time was best suitable for him as well as me. You can select your better time, and that time you can connect with your accountability partner. Next is, what is the benefit of using accountability system? When you try to implement it on your own, when you try to track your progress on your own, you will not be on the track. Sometimes you will go out of the track. So to come on the track, you have, every time you cannot push yourself. So in that case, if someone third person can help you to come on the track. Also, sometimes you will not find solutions on your own, then that person can give you a better solution. Also, when you implement this accountability system, always you will be focused on your goal, because you have to give updates whatever you have done, whatever you are trying, to your accountability partner. So you will keep that thing in mind and you will progress towards your goal. When you do any task or when you are doing something, motivation is needed, and this accountability system will give you a lot of motivation. You don't need to see any other videos or motivational videos to motivate yourself, because when you implement this accountability system, you will feel motivated. When you implement this accountability system and keep using it, then only you can experience its output. If you are just learning and you are not implementing, then you will not get benefits of accountability system. Like this, I am using this accountability system in my case. If you are using your accountability system in some different ways, you can write it down in the comments so that others will get to know. Or if you have any questions regarding the accountability system, just type in the comments. I will reply you. Keep watching, keep learning.